so indeed, the urbanization of the Adelaide area has caused widespread degradation of the water quality in the coastal waters and has resulted in the loss of more than 5,000 hectares of shallow subtidal seagrasses in the Gulf St. Vincent, adjacent to Adelaide's shore. Around 250 hectares of mangroves have died near the outfall of Adelaide's Bolivar sewage treatment plant, and since 1954, 25% of mangroves were lost in Gulf St. Vincent. And indeed, there was the Adelaide Coastal Water Study, and the recommendation was that as a matter of priority, steps must be taken to reduce the volumes of wastewater, stormwater, and industrial inputs into Adelaide's coastal environment. And here's a little map showing you the extent of seagrass losses over as a function of. Okay, and there's lots of information that you can find on the internet. And maybe just one comment. It's very tricky to regrow seagrass because seagrass beds actually stabilize the sediment because of the roots, okay, and the canopy. You have a stable seabed, but once you remove the seagrass, you're dealing with bare patches of medium-sized sand. And you learned in the sediment lecture, you know that medium-sized sand, and that's a dominant sand fraction that we have here, is very dynamic. Okay, so once there is a storm, it becomes suspended and it can be moved around and it's deposited. And in this highly dynamic environment, it is almost impossible to re-establish seagrass bed. Okay.